Hi you guys, and welcome back to Wig Design Wednesday. Today I am going to be transforming this pixie wig that I got off of Amazon. Y'all already know they be stealing my pictures and saying that it looks like one thing and it always come back looking like this. So of course I'm going to go ahead and start combing this unit out because it has a lot of potential. I can't even lie, but I just hate that they are saying that it's mine and it's really not. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and spray this unit down with water because I don't want it to absorb all of my product because the unit is kind of thick. The quality is okay, but it's all in what you choose to do with it and how you style it to make it into something good. So after I mowed it down, I took it out from underneath the dryer and this is what it looked like. So I'm combing it out now. So what I'm going to do now is just curl the unit. It didn't really require much because your mold down is really what's going to set this unit. But this is going to be one of those soft curl units that's going to lay like a natural cut. I was quite surprised at the blonde because most of the time whenever companies do these wigs, the blonde is always brittle and you have to be very, very careful whenever you are using your curling irons because you will fry that hair. So I do give them that credit. They did do a good job with the quality when it came to the blonde in this unit. So all I'm doing now is continuing to curl this hair in the direction that I want the curls to go. But as you can see though, like the length of this tutorial is not even long at all. So even as a beginner, or even if you're someone who know how to style hair, or even if you're a hairstylist and you're looking to bring more income streams to what you are already doing, starting a wig design business or adding it to your existing business will definitely be beneficial. You can scale this to 6 figures in less than a year. So I will leave that information to the brochure so that you can take a look at it inside the description box. But I will be launching my Wig Design Profits business model on March 31st. So if you see this video after, I am going to come back and put the link to the business model after the course launches so that you can take that step to start your wig design business, because I know there are a lot of people out there who are looking for, income streams that they can start very, very easy and scale quickly. This is one of those businesses, especially if you have a love for wigs and you want to do this because you want to maintain wigs at home or you want to do them for people and you don't have a license. This is definitely one of those things that you can do to create multiple streams of income, all while doing it in the comfort of your own home. So I am finishing up curling this wig. And if you are new to the channel, make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And feel free to leave your feedback in the comment section because I love to hear from you guys and your opinions. So I am now combing this unit out. Again, this is one of those soft curl units. But when you comb this out, make sure that you use a Y2 comb to style this unit with your comb because you want to see how your layers are going to be laying down. But this is pretty much the finished look. Y'all let me know what y'all are thinking about it in the comments section. And also, if you are interested in purchasing a unit, I will leave the link to this unit in the description box. And I want you guys to stay tuned because all of the wigs that I do on Wig Design Wednesday, I am going to be having a giveaway. So I will be releasing the details pretty soon. And this is the finished look after I did everything to it that I could possibly do to make it look good. So y'all let me know how y'all feel about this unit. Would you wear this unit? And again, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tune in every single Wednesday. I will be doing a new wig design. And do me a favor, underneath this video you will see the hype button. Make sure that you hit that button to help share the video so that we can continue growing and ranking in the algorithm. And also thank you to all of my legacy support members who are contributing financially to the growth of the channel and everyone's education.